my name is Amogh, studying currently in SVCE Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru, branch Artificial Intelligence, SEM first SEM. So today we are discussing about Introduction to Civil Engineering, topic locating CENTROID. So let's get started. So in this figure we have a rectangle, whole rectangle. We can take this as the whole rectangle, and there are many many partition in this, like right angle triangle and a square and a triangle and a quadrant. So these distances you can observe, the components are 1 2 3 4. These are the components: right angle triangle and a square and triangle and a quadrant. So these uh, 9 meter, 12 meter, 12 meter, 8 meter, these are the distances of these, and the radius of the quadrant is 3 10 millimeter. So next, so we have divided it into three parts now, two parts now. One is a right angle triangle and another one is a square. Inside the square there is both there is quadrant. So in the next slide we are going to see how we took the uh, partition in this. So in the previous slide, there is all together in a single axis. So in the next slide where we are going, we will all separate the slides and make all the components as single in an single axis, as the triangle in an single axis, and uh, rectangle sorry square in the another axis, and quadrant in the another axis. So next one, so like this we will separate these uh, uh, components. So first one component, the triangle, next one is the rectangle, and next one is a quadrant, and next one is a triangle. So main thing what we observe in this is we are going to minus triangle, quadrant and another triangle inside a rectangle. So whole thing we will minus by these three components and also the main component, that is rectangle. So the components: triangle, rectangle, quadrant, triangle. So first we are coming to the triangle. Area of a triangle is half into b breadth into height. So half is the radius of the, that not radius, sorry, it is half, it's a formula of half into breadth into height. Breadth is 12 and height is 22, so that gives us the 132. And next, rectangle area will come, A is equal to L into B, length into breadth. So 18 into 22 is equal to 396. This gives our rectangles area. And next we are going to calculate the quadrants. So quadrants, 1 by 4 pi r into 2. So minus pi into 10, 2 by 4, that gives us the minus 78.54. So next, moving on to the next triangle, that is A is equal to half height into breadth. So the minus values are there because there the height is in the opposite direction. So half into 9 into 12, so this gives us minus 54. And the distance of the centroid from the x-axis, let's move on to that one. So the distance of the centroid from the x-axis, h by 3, that is 1 by 3 into 22, is equal to 7.33. Next one we are going to rectangle, that is b by 2, that is 22 by 2. 22 by 2 gives us 11. And the quadrant we come, there is 4 into 10 divided by 3 pi and is equal to 4.24. And 10 plus 2 by 3, that means L by B, into 12 is it gives us the 18. And distance of centroid from the y axis gives us 2 over 3 into 12 and is equal to 8. And coming to the rectangle, 12 plus 18 by 2, that gives us 21. And coming to quadrant, 12 plus 8 plus 10 is equal to 4. 10 by 3 pi is equal to 25.75. So 12 plus 9 plus 2 divided by 3. Coming to the triangle, next triangle, 12 plus 9 plus 2 divided by 3 into 9. it gives us 27, and we should take all of the summation of these and a moment area about x-axis. That is, we will multiply the area and the moment of centroidal distance, so we get these values. So all the summation will gives the values of this. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you.